Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and the document you need to fix. Go straight to Review, then Editor or Spelling and Grammar so checks run immediately. Make sure Grammar and Clarity options are enabled. Select the document style that matches your goal, such as formal or casual. Once done, trigger a scan so Word highlights issues in line and in the pane. You'll see suggestions for passive voice, punctuation, and agreement. Follow the first suggested fixes to clear the most common errors rapidly. Now you systematically review each suggestion in the editor pane. Click through items, accept clean fixes, reject incorrect ones, and manually edit where Word misunderstands context. Pay attention to subject-verb agreement, comma placement, and sentence fragments. Word flags these, but you decide the best wording. Once you get comfortable, customize checks for passive voice and formality so future scans match your style. Make sure to rescan after larger rewrites, because new issues can appear when you change sentence structure. Finish by running a final editor pass and then read the corrected text aloud. You'll catch rhythm and clarity problems that automated tools miss. Save a new version or enable track changes so reviewers can see edits. This prevents accidental loss. If Word stops flagging issues or shows inconsistent suggestions, confirm the document language and proofing language match, update Office, and restart Word. If problems persist, disable and re-enable the proofing add-ins. That usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.